So it is late, but I wanted to be able to record this video for you guys before I went to bed. I'm looking crazy. 30 weeks pregnant now and over it. So over it. And let me show you this quick hairstyle that you can do in 5 minutes. So here we go. I couldn't find my water bottle, so I'm just using this for now, just so I can get my comb through my hair. And all you really need is a big hair tie to put your hair in a bun, because it's easy. And we're just going to put this little ponytail on that I got from Hergivenhair. I've worn this already, so that's why it looks worn, but I only wore it one time. So we're just going to put that on after we get this hair in a bun. I have my extreme gel. Get it up as smooth as possible, and I kind of make mine a little higher because I like my bun to sit in a certain place on my head. You're going to put your ponytail holder on and make it into a bun. So it's going to look a little something like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the big puff is going to cover it all. So this ponytail comes with 2 combs and a drawstring to secure it. So all I'm gonna do, let me step back. All I'm gonna do is make sure the bun goes inside, right? Make sure the drawstring is in the back, and just push the comb in one part of your bun, other comb in the front, and then I'm gonna pull the drawstring as tight as I can. Then you just take the drawstring and wrap it around. And then when you have about this much left, you're going to just pin it. And there you have it. You can leave it straight like this. You can play with it and make it look exactly how you want it to. If you want it a little more tamed, I just add a rubber band and pull the ends through. And it'll be a really high puff. And all I have left to do really is tie my hair down, and in the morning I'll do my edges, and that's it. But this is a simple 5-minute hairstyle, easily achieved by anyone. You don't have to know how to do hair to get this done. So I will see you guys in my next one. Good night.